And now I want in English. I've got to say, I'm having fun, 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 fun. Oh, I'm having fun, and I'm not yet done. I'm learning, I'm growing, I'm showing what I'm made of. So wherever my path it may lead, ooh, God, I'm grateful that you do lead. A deep breath in, a deep breath out. Let me shout out, God is gracious, God is strong, and I know I belong in his heart. From the start I will depart if I have to, and I'll stay if I can do, but that's not my choice. This that you're hearing is my voice, and God is talking through me. Do you see the light that might be the winner for the fight between good and evil? Ooh! I know I reveal to you. My name be Colin Crawshaw, and I am sure I am God's jester, and I suggest to you that you thank God, because God is the only one who can save the planet. But you're the only one that can save you.